inside.
The
And
garden.
we have elevator for our, so the guest, so our guests won't have to, go up the stairs. I don't want to hassle them.
Wow.
Wait! I'll just tie my shoelace.
Wow. And we have a lot of mirrors.
This is my house.
This is our house. We can fit 1 billion people here.
I don't think so. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is just for the dog's door. yeah, I know. Look at this hallway of mine.
Of ours.
Oh, of our humble home.
And we have Starbucks in our home.
Humble chandeliers. Everything's humble here. Wait.
Tumatawag na si Daddy. Tama ba tayong dinadaanan?
I don't think so.
I remember this.
Outside.
I remember this.
No, I know this because
fountain. Ano oras na ba?
I see the cove. The cove.
Mm.
Yeah.
But at the meantime, I'm asking them to clean it, so we can't
That's why.
enter yet.
And
But
yeah.
we will. It's a very good view there. Oh my gosh, hang on.
And we have here the
Sounds
players' kitchen. The players' kitchen. We have our restaurant
I have,
here.
like Richard Rich.
Oh
Own
yeah.
McDonald's. Me, I have own food court.
No, we actually own
And
a.
if you ever get lost here, there's a big tab there. You can search it up. Ask for No, we're not lost.
This is our home, remember? This is our home.
Ano lang mama,
Where are we? We were here. So we're walking to go there. Alright. So let's just follow the pattern. I'm sorry, I get so lost in my house. Sometimes it's just so confusing, But
We have El Pololo here. And
yeah.
in Texas, yeah, we just eat.
Yeah. Wait, the vlogger's running out of words. Oh my gosh. Stop.
So guys,
Oh, sige. You this is the desk.
kailangan ba talaga?
You show them the desk.
Okay.
Ayan na, Cove Manila.
So we have our own casino here since we're
Over here.
business-minded people.
And we have an escalator. We have an escalator. And this way to.
Ay, si Daddy. Oh, Chelsea, hold mo muna.
Ano?
Sabihin ko na, liligaw tayo.
Sorry.
Hello, Daddy. Hindi, nag-room tour na si Liz.
Yes. House tour.
Nag-house tour na si Liz.
So we have
Nandito kami
Some of them
umiikot.
are, Da Vinci.
Ay, bumalik na raw tayo.
I'm so sorry. I'm still,
Okay, sige.
I'm still at the upper ground. I haven't explored the first floor, the third floor.
Nasa upper ground pa lang daw kami. Hindi pa na-explore ni Liz yung kwarto niya sa first floor. Ganun. Pabalik na.
And the second casino.
Ba?
There's no people na.
Wait lang.
We
Wala,
have,
parang
This is
hindi na.
dead end.
Kaya nga.
Meron ba?
I think it's going here.
No.
Yeah, it's pointing there. It's
Meron may ang galing dito eh.
sa casino ata sila.
Hindi. May bata. Ano yun casino nga?
Isam. Ano yan?
Ay, restaurant na yun.
Nagkaano?
Oh yeah.
See?
Gosh, I don't know my house. So sorry, guys.
Uy, parang wala na yung pupuntahan natin.
Pupunta natin.
Yung labas, so may fountain. Ayun o, nasan tayo? So you are here.
Feel ko, hindi ka daan ng matinong cove.
Ako. Tapos.
Feel ko, andito pa lang tayo.
Sige, nakarunong natin. Sige, maglalakad lang tayo.
So guys, ito na nga.
Ayan no, palabas na yun. Oh. You could ask.
Oo, mag-ask lang tayo.
O ikaw mag-ask. Calls.
Hala.
We even have to ask our own security guard to wear this.
Oh, you ask Chelsea.
Ayan o, ayos mo.
Ah.
Oh yeah, here.
Oh, you know na this.
Diba? Lion. The lion. You ask them.
Parang hindi pa natin ito nadaan.
Yeah, we haven't. We know.
I'm going to where po eh.
The fountain po.
Sabi lang sa'yo. May Cove Manila ba pa?
Pabalik tayo.
Okay. Thank you po.
Thank you po. At guys, ikot lang ulit kami.
tayo naligo.
Hindi na tayo. Hindi na tayo.
It's okay. We're like Dora.